Hi, this is Gigi Fontaine with On The Go Credit, and I'm here to answer frequently asked questions about our route to rescission class.
What is rescission?
Rescission is when you revoke or cancel an agreement or contract you've entered into.
How long is the process?
The process really depends on your dealership and your bank. It can take 4 months, it can take 6 weeks. Honestly, it just depends on how quickly they're ready to go to arbitration with you.
Does it affect my credit?
It can. It may or may not affect your credit. Some creditors will report late payments, some will not. Honestly, it really depends on the creditor. The whole point is by the end of arbitration, you will make sure to request to have any negativity associated with this account removed from your credit report. So ultimately, it will not affect your credit as the bottom line.
Can they come after you?
They won't be coming after you because they'll be going to arbitration with you. This is an agreement you already signed in your car contract. So there's no reason to come after you because you're both sitting in a room deciding on what your remedy is going to be based on how they violated your rights.
Do I keep paying my car note?
You do not have to keep paying your car note. By law, once they receive your notice of rescission, you no longer are obligated to make payments until arbitration is complete.
Can I keep the car?
Yes, if they don't reverse this contract within 20 days, you can keep the car. And the process it takes to reverse everything, remove the lien, definitely takes more than 20 days, which is why they request that you go to arbitration when you bought the car in the first place.
What if my car is under my business name?
If your car is in your business name, you cannot rescind the contract unless you as a consumer co-sign for that contract. Your consumer rights are different than business rights.
How much can you ask for?
You can ask for whatever you want, to be honest, but realistically by law, you can ask for twice the finance charge, or you can ask for however many payments you made. So if you've been paying for the car for 2 years, you can ask for all of your money back, including the down payment.
Is it guaranteed?
Yes, it's pretty much guaranteed because you're asking for what you want in arbitration. So whether you go to arbitration by yourself or you go to arbitration with an attorney, you're making your demands based on the law and based on how you were violated. So if you're only asking for your down payment back, you're only going to get your down payment back. If you're asking for all of your payments back, or if you're asking for double the finance charge, which is actually federal law, you would get that as well.
What if I'm a co-signer?
As a co-signer, you were supposed to receive rescission paperwork. Anytime 2 people buy a car, I'll use Florida as an example because it's a co-buyer situation, you both have the right to rescind. So if you're just the co-signer, you also have the right to rescind. If you were not informed of the right to rescind, you still can do it. So once again, this is Gigi Fontaine with On The Go Credit, and as your consumer advocate, I'm here to answer any and all questions. This is the class for you. If you feel your contract is invalid for any reason, or if your car buying experience was not what you expected, definitely check in with us. We're happy to do a free consultation, and I'm definitely happy to teach you the process to get that car for free and get your money back.